The Time Distortion Hack. How to make your brain slow down time. Ever feel like time is slipping away too fast? You wake up, go through the motions, and suddenly, boom, another year is gone. But what if I told you that you could actually slow down time, not just in your head, but in reality? Scientists call it time dilation, and today, I'll show you how to use it to experience more, achieve more, and make every day feel longer. When we were kids, a year feels like forever, but as adults, time seems to fly by. Why? It's all in your brain's perception of time. Your brain measures time based on new experiences. When you're constantly doing the same thing, wake up, work, sleep, repeat, your brain compresses those days into a blur. That's why weeks, months, even years seem to disappear. The more routine your life is, the less your brain records and the faster time seems to pass. But don't worry, because you can reverse this effect. There are two types of time we experienced: clock time and mind time. Clock time is objective, the hours, minutes, and seconds that pass. Mind time is how time feels: fast, slow, stretch, compressed. Your brain doesn't actually keep time like a clock. It estimates it based on how much information it processes. The more data your brain takes in, the longer time feels. Ever noticed how vacations feel longer than normal weeks? That's because your brain is constantly processing new sights, sounds, and experiences, making time feel stretched. Now that we know how it works, how do you actually slow down time in your daily life? Here are 3 powerful techniques you can start using today. Create more novelty in your daily life. New experiences equals more brain data equals slower time perception. Do you remember your first day at a new job or school?